Hello there guys, and in this Linux tutorial hosted by yours truly, we are going to talk about variables. Okay, we are going to discuss what are variables. So let me write it down. Variables. Okay, so what are those? Variables, generally speaking, are a part of your computer memory which holds different values at different times depending on the execution of a computer program. Okay, so let's say, so if this is RAM, so if this is the entire RAM, okay, this is the entire RAM. And then within that RAM, we already talked about, we have some system space and we have, let's say that this portion is called the user space, okay? And now within the user space, we have space for each of the processes. And now each one of these spaces actually contains variables, okay? So this may be a variable, and so I'm just kind of illustrating just this part right here. So just this part, which I'm currently highlighting, well, this part may actually look something like this. So we can have, for example, a variable called x here, and we could have a variable y here, and we could have some other stuff here, okay? But basically, the idea is that variables hold values which are relevant for your computer program. For example, if we are running Mozilla Firefox can have a variable which is named number of tabs open, right? So this variable stores how many tabs we have open in our current Mozilla Firefox session, and let's say that it equals to 4. However, at one particular point, we close one tab and then it stops being equal to 4 and it starts being equal to 3. Okay, so variables are basically, as their name says, they vary. Okay, as your program executes, they change their values, and based upon those values, we make certain decisions in our computer programs. Now, why are variables relevant for the operating system? Well, the operating system has its own variables, and those variables are relevant for the operation of the operating system. Okay, so basically variables, not only are they used in regular programs, quote unquote regular programs, they're also used in the operating system. Okay, basically anything that you run on a computer is most likely using some variables, okay, to store some values which are relevant for the execution of that particular thing. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next tutorial, and talk soon.